welcome back friends. And in Samsung mobile, if you are finding that your Wi-Fi is connected but internet is not coming, in that case I am going to tell you 2-3 things you have to try and may your problem get solved. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching it completely. Very first thing, just swipe it down and then turn on flight mode. Wait for 30 odd seconds, 1 minute maximum, and then turn off flight mode. Go to the normal mode. Now connect to the Wi-Fi. See your problem is coming or not. If your problem is still coming, then press power on button, then restart your mobile. Now your mobile will be reboot, and after rebooting your mobile, just try to connect to Wi-Fi and see your internet is coming or not. If your internet is coming, it is very good. If it is not coming, then the third and last method you need to try. Go to the setting, go to the connections, Wi-Fi. Here I will first connect it because at that time Wi-Fi is connected. Go to the connected and then here just view more. Here you in your phone, this will be DHCP. Just change it to static and then change this last 3 digits 1162. You can change it between 10 to 125. Just try to put it 110 or 111 or 112 and just save it, and after that just see your Wi-Fi is working or not. If it is working, I think it should work, but before that please restart your mobile and then check it. So if you're now I will also check it is working. Yes, I see it is working. Earlier that alarm has come, Wi-Fi has not. So I have applied these solutions on my mobile. The third solution has worked, but before altering the IP address here, I will once again tell you, go to the connections, Wi-Fi, then settings, then view more. Here before changing this, please note down the original one. After that only you change. If that is not working, please back into original one, means put the original IP address here and then save it. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.